Finding it.
Thank you. For your insurance and financial needs, Nationwide is on your side. Thursday night football on Prime. It's on. The Pittsburgh Steelers visit the Cleveland Browns as Thursday night football is on. Steelers, Browns at 17 only on Prime. Paramount Plus streams the NFL on CBS every Sunday at home or on the go all season long. Right through the AFC Championship game, the battle for the home run.
Yes! I know the sounds record perfectly.